Hercules had just received his 8th labor, and now he would have to travel to Thrace to bring the famous anthropophagous Mares of Diomedes. He was the son of Ares, the god of war, and reigned over the Bystones, a barbaric and cruel people. And certainly Diomedes was the cruelest among the Thracians. He captured foreigners who crossed his lands and took them to the royal barn. Powerful mares were found there, so strong that they were tied with iron chains. The mares no longer eat oats or any other cereal. They had acquired a taste for human flesh. So Diomedes would throw the visitors as a meal for his terrible horses. During his trip to Thrace, Hercules had the company of some friends, like his nephew, Iolaus, and Abderus, who was Hermes' son. Hercules, after arriving in the kingdom of Diomedes, became aware of the atrocities that the king committed against visitors of his kingdom. Diomedes repeatedly insulted the duty of hospitality, one of Zeus's requirements. After being aware of the arrival of new visitors, the king and his guards went to meet them. Hercules defeated the royal guard, and after grabbing the king, threw him to be devoured by his own mares. The mares were calmer after being fed, and so Hercules led them to his ship. However, more soldiers appeared, trying to avenge their king. Hercules asked the son of Hermes to hold the mares while the hero fought the soldiers. The guards were easily defeated, but after his return, Hercules encountered Abderus being devoured by mares. Hercules mourned the death of his friend, and after burying him, declared the foundation of the city of Abdera in a tribute to his friend. Already in Mycenae, King Eurystheus consecrated the mares in honor of the goddess Hera. The horses that descended from these mares were extraordinary animals. According to the legend, the horse of Alexander the Great had the blood of these mares running in his veins, and under the command of Alexander the Great, he would participate in the conquest of almost all the known world.